Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to instantly speed up the Wi-Fi on your laptop that you may have overlooked. My name is Jerry, also known as the Wi-Fi guy. I help ordinary people who feel like they might be a little bit shaky with technology to become IT gurus in their own home. So if that interests you, let's get started. Many people come home with shiny new Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 wireless routers and end up disappointed when they find out that their old devices don't speed up at all. I mean, it says right on the box or in the advertisement that it's backwards compatible, didn't it? Well, unfortunately, backwards compatibility does not mean forwards compatibility. Your old Wi-Fi 4 laptop is still a Wi-Fi 4 laptop, and it may actually slow your wireless router down unless you upgrade it with a Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 6 adapter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that with this TP-Link 1300 AC wireless adapter. There's a link to it in the description below. If you're interested in learning how to make things go faster and work better on your home network, you'll also find a link to my free guide called the Home IT Handbook in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the adapter. It's actually a simple matter of just plugging it into your laptop. So as you can see, the adapter has nice little antennas that you can move around. You can plug it into your obsolete laptop like this. And once you see the little green light blinking, you're good to go. Okay, to see if the Wi-Fi capabilities of this laptop will change as a result of plugging in this new Wi-Fi adapter, let's take a look at the Wi-Fi adapter settings. So to do that, you don't type in Wi-Fi, you type in Ethernet. The reason I'm typing in Ethernet is because that is the connection I have right now. And then we want to go to Network and Sharing Center. And then we want to go to Change Adapter Settings. And this is all the network connections that I have on this laptop. So right now we're running off the Ethernet. If I right click and go Status, we can see the maximum speed for the Ethernet connection on this laptop is 1 gig. And that's to be expected. Okay, so we're not going to be using the Ethernet anymore for this test. So let's disable it. And we're going to enable. Well, actually, this has already enabled itself because you can see it's green here already. So now all we have to do is connect it. So I'm going to connect this to my 5 gigahertz band. All right, so I'm connected. I'm going to right click and go Status. And we can see the maximum speed for this Wi-Fi 4 adapter is 450 megabits per second. Okay, so here's how easy it is to upgrade your laptop with a Wi-Fi 5 adapter. Plug it in, and there it is, our TP-Link wireless MuMimo USB adapter. So we're going to disconnect from this. Actually, let's just disable this. Then I'm going to connect to this. Actually, and I'm going to connect to the same 5 gigahertz band. Okay, so it's connected. Okay, so don't be confused by the fact that this says Wi-Fi 4. That is just a label the operating system gives a new connection. Okay, so you see over here you have Ethernet 4, you have Ethernet 3, you have Wi-Fi 2. Okay, don't be confused. This is the TP-Link MuMimo USB adapter that we just plugged in. So let's right click, go Status, and as you can see, the maximum speed capability of this wireless adapter connection is 866 megabits per second, which is quite a bit more than 450. So by simply adding the Wi-Fi adapter, we upgraded the laptop's Wi-Fi capability from 450 megabits per second to 866 megabits per second. So that's the speed of the adapter. What about Wi-Fi speeds? So I went to speedtest.net and this is what I got. With the Wi-Fi 4 adapter built into the laptop, I got 41 down and 10 up. With the Wi-Fi 5 adapter, I got 100 down and 7.8 up. Now my ISP tells me I'm paying for 200 megabits per second. So I tested that on the Ethernet and ended up getting only 150 megabits per second. So I may have to call them. So as you can see, even if you're using the same old laptop, you can increase your speeds a lot simply by upgrading to a Wi-Fi 5 wireless adapter. This Wi-Fi adapter also supports MU-MIMO, or MU-MIMO as I like to call it. What that means is it allows you to connect to more than one spatial stream. It also means if you have an AC laptop that does not support Wave 2 devices, this may still be an upgrade. Now, if what I just said was kind of confusing to you, don't worry. I explain all of it in my Home Wi-Fi Explained video above. I'm also working on an entire video series to complement my Home IT Handbook. So if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get updates when those come out as well. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, please do the thing.